ẹ̀yin èèyàn ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́ ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí Oshiomole sọ nínú fídíò yìí ẹ wá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú lẹ́nu ẹyẹ tẹ́ ẹ fi ṣèjọba ọdún mẹ́jọ ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ́ gbogbo eléyìí torí Ọlọ́run ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń fìyà jẹ ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó pọ̀ tó báyìí ẹ jẹ́ ẹgbọ́n tí Oshiomole sọ ẹgbọ́n tí Oshiomole sọ o gbogbo Nàìjíríà ẹ gbọ́ ìwà ìdájú burúkú ọ̀dájú ní.
Involved in this illegal mining.
Share this video.
They use choppers. They procure arms. They procure arms exactly the same way as our military were doing in the South. They give them arms. They use choppers to come and cut away the gold, and they take them out of this country and make billions of US dollars. And the federal government is not doing what it should be doing. I took this letter to the former president when I was national chairman of APC, and I said, call the general to give you more brief. In fact, what is happening, or what subsequently happened in that part of the country, was exactly what the general told me was going to happen. Because these guys have been weaponized by the illegal big men who deploy them, secure territories, and the weapon is meant to protect the Chinese and other foreigners who they actually employ to carry out the mining. And on occasion, they use the same weapon to carry out banditry, kidnapping, and all of the terrible things that are going on. Chief of Committee Chairman of Defense Staff, tell the defense I said so. That some retired military officers, army officers are involved in it. The day we can't tell the truth, this country cannot flourish. We can't change our, when it affects our people, we are at our best. We talk strong. Some other people appear to be above the law. That is what is going on with solid mineral. It is not that we don't know where it is. We have a whole survey of where we have what across the length and breadth of Nigeria. We also know, everybody complaining about certain people from certain nationalities. How they got here, even as we are talking now, they are doing those illegal mining.
Share this video.
And those guys are getting richer when Nigeria State is getting poorer. But we carry the consequences of banditry, kidnapping, and that which this on illegal armed men, which they equip. Sir, who can afford to buy a chopper to land in an illegal mining site, cut away gold, return to sanity, and then on the way to airport, bam, take them out of the country? This is happening. So I agree with you, but my position is that we shouldn't, as senators, be lamenting. As senators, we should fix the problem. We should tell the executive, you must deploy exactly the same force that you deploy against illegal oil bunkering. That same force should be deployed to deal with criminals who are money. When I say criminal, it can be a retired general, it can be a retired permanent secretary, it can be a retired trade unionist or a retired labor leader. Whoever is involved, they should be dealt with. Let Nigeria see that we are not condoning this. We are not lamenting what is going on. When you have a country of people who are above the law because they are supposed to have served the country and they have retired.